Proper methods of disposing domestic waste. Domestic waste refers to garbage that people discard from their homes. It may consist of organic refuse or inorganic refuse. Organic refuse is that which rots. It includes food remains, vegetables and fruit peelings. Inorganic waste does not rot. Some may take a long period to rot. Inorganic waste includes plastics, broken glass, metal parts, cans. Domestic waste should not be dumped on the soil surface. Proper methods of disposing domestic waste. There are various methods of disposing domestic waste. These include compost manure, local authority services, recycling, disposing in pit latrines, incineration, reducing, reusing, converting waste into compost manure. In homes, a compost pit should be dug for all garbage that can rot, such as food leftovers. This kind of waste can be made into compost manure. Using local authority services. In urban areas, waste should be deposited in garbage bins provided by local authorities who arrange for its collection and proper disposal. The methods commonly used by local authorities include burning the inorganic refuse at very high temperature using a machine called an incinerator. Recycling. The most effective method of disposing of plastics, paper, metals and broken glass is recycling. Recycling involves collecting waste such as paper, broken glass, food cans and plastics, treating them with chemical and reusing them to make more of the same product. Disposing in pit latrines. Inorganic waste should either be thrown in the pit latrine if one is available or be buried deep in the soil. Incineration. Inorganic waste can also be burnt in an improvised incinerator. Reducing. This involves making wise choices when buying goods in order to reduce the amount of items to be thrown away. One could keep one durable paper bag and always carry it when making purchases. This would help to avoid piling them in the house. Reusing. This refers to using an item more than once, or for a different function from the one it was meant for. Many products such as cooking fats and oils, honey and jam are packaged in reusable jars and cans. These can be reused in the home to store other products such as salt, sugar or even small tools. Honey jars can be used as drinking glasses. Managing industrial waste. Industries produce a lot of waste. Examples of industrial wastes include oil, contaminated acids, metals, wastewater that is contaminated with chemicals, waste rubber, waste paper. Some of this waste, such as chemicals, is not only hazardous to the soil but also to the living components of the environment. The following are ways of managing industrial waste. On-site treatment. Waste is treated and made harmless at the industry, at the point where it is produced. This reduces the danger of polluting the environment during its transportation to appropriate disposal sites. Reusing. Some industries use some products more than once, or for a different function from the one it was meant for. In commercial laundries, for example, the solvents they use, such as petrol to dry clean garments, is not thrown away. It is filtered and reused. Bottle-making companies do not dispose of broken bottles. They are recycled to make new bottles. Other companies buy waste paper and recycle it to make paper such as toilet rolls, facial tissues, and serviettes. Waste exchange programs. What one industry produces as waste may be what another one needs for their raw materials. This is considered useful waste. For example, a manufacturer of furniture produces sawdust and wood cuttings as waste. These could be used by a company that manufactures paper. Treating hazardous waste. There are new methods of treating hazardous waste to make them non-hazardous. The harmful pollutants are destroyed so that they do not pose any danger to the environment. Substituting raw materials. This is a process where raw materials that produce harmful waste are replaced with others that produce less harmful or non-harmful waste. Changing manufacturing processes. A process or a stage that produces waste during the manufacturing process may be changed or eliminated so that the waste is not produced. Incineration. This is the burning of waste using the machines such as incinerators and furnaces. Reducing its generation. The best method of reducing waste is by simply preventing its generation. Government regulation. Governments put in place laws to control the disposal of waste. Such control is meant to prevent illegal dumping of harmful waste. Thank you for watching this lesson. We hope you now understand the various ways of managing domestic and industrial waste. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and other Genius channels relevant to your level of study.